Well, time to head back home. Where do you think you're going? Huh? 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 Oh no. You're not going anywhere. I'm not gonna go down for the fight. Oh, you? I thought I killed you. Well, I'm back for my revenge. And now, time to finish you off. You don't have any weapons. I don't have any weapons. Me neither. Only Red does. Hey! Well, I'm the only bird who has a weapon. Now I'm gonna try to destroy Prince Porky. Oh, really? I don't think that's gonna happen. What do you mean by that? What does that do? I guess this is flames. Chuck, can you please stop plugging my brother? Sorry, I thought it was my GPS. I have captured them. Now I'm going to have to finish them off myself. Alright. Wait. I should have done this earlier. Whatever. I'm gonna upgrade this. Cool. I think they're dead. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Okay. Prince Porky is the fight you want. This is what you're gonna get. It's on. Alright, I'm ready. Let's do this. Alright. I am stronger than you. No way. Okay, I think the wind just blew the camera. I don't understand. I think it's better now. Alright, I am going to destroy. Destroy Starjack. I'm okay. Okay. That's fine. None of I can help it. No! Stupid birds. Alright. Since the birds have been defeated, I might as well get my pig ID to get inside the headquarters. Everything's out! Ouch. It's you little fool! No one can defeat me. Ouch! Take that! My riverbank is coming off. Don't know why. I don't care. I'm invincible. Oh crap! Chuck, I think we need to use your GPS. It's the only way. Alright. Get aim. Ready. Pew! Ah! Got the camera just flipped over. Ouch! Alright, let me go finish him off. Guys, we defeated Scorpio again. Finally! Set this whole series! Good thing it's over. Well, now we can finally head back to the headquarters. Chuck, you okay? Stella!
Fine.
My beak. Well, let's go home. Swooping destruction. Alright. Come on, guys, let's go back home. Okay, let's go.